You are welcome to Davos Technology. Today I want to show you how to promote a Windows machine to domain controller. Having installed Windows Server 2025, it's still on workgroup. You go to the amber button, click the amber button, select promote this server to a domain controller. Now, you select add a new forest because we want to add a new forest. We are not adding to an existing domain. We are not adding domain to an existing forest. We just want to create a new forest. Let's just name it WinServer 25.local. Let's name it WinServer 25.local. Then click next. Put in your password here. Make it a strong password. So you are putting the password and repeated the password. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. Click next. Now that all prerequisite checks have been passed successfully, click install. Now you are about to be signed out. What happened here is that the server was successfully configured as a domain controller. Here you click close. Click close and your system will restart. Having restarted the machine, you will notice that the Windows server has been promoted to a domain controller. So we have the domain as winserver25.local. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for more tutorials on Windows Server administration and Active Directory. Thank you.